Welcome to Tech Tuesdays. In this episode, we are going to learn how to have access to a very new external hard drive regardless of the brand. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is click our Launchpad. It's the easiest way to gain access to this, and we're going to search Disk Utility. Here, we're going to go ahead and click Disk Utility because this is where we find all the information needed to be able to gain access to our external hard drive. So for me, I have mine mounted down at the bottom, so it's a lot easier for me to go ahead and click it that way. But if you don't, it's easiest to go ahead and just search it in the Launchpad or search it in your search bar and click it, and then it'll open. Now that we're opened up into Disk Utility, we have two sections. The top part, which is all the computer's internal information, and then down here is the external hard drives and memory cards area. This is what we're going to focus on. So this currently is the external hard drive. Now with new external hard drives, there's a lot of information on there that could later on affect your ability to be able to use the external hard drive, causing it to crash. So here we're going to click this little area at the top and show all devices. This now shows us everything that is on the external hard drive, the part we can see and the internal information that's already there from the company putting information on the external hard drive. So this is what we want to focus on. We really want to focus on the top part. Okay, and this here was where we're going to erase all the information so that way we'll be able to actually use the external hard drive 1 and prevent issues later on down the road as well for 2. Okay, so here we're going to change the format. Now, I don't know why, but I do know we got to change the format because this is going to be able to help us with being able to gain access to this. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a PC or a Mac. EFAT is the one you're going to choose and the one you're going to go to. Now, if you only want to focus on a Mac, you can go ahead and do journaled. That's better for later on down the road if you're going to do the partition. But right now, we're just going to focus on the EFAT. So we're also going to take a moment to focus on the scheme. Now, do not touch either one of the other two. We're going to focus solely on the partition map, the first one, okay? Now from here we have everything we need. We're going to go ahead and click erase and erase all the internal information off of the external hard drive. DONE, 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 done. Okay, now that that is done, we can go ahead and guess what? We can now use our external hard drive. Now, if you faced this before, when you get a new external hard drive, you were completely unable to use it, add any information to it. Now you have complete access and you can drag any file and save any file to your new external hard drive. Well, happy editing, and thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Be sure to comment down below for more Tech Tuesday ideas. Thank you for watching. Bye.